I think old man winter has come. Hopefully it's gonna go away and we get a few more weeks of decent working weather, I hope, because I hate this. But I'm filling a hole today with a scraper. Matt's running the 9, pushing me. Guess we don't need a water truck today. She's good and moist. Shane Marzoff.
This is the good witch of the north speaking. You'd better not come this way.
There's a bad snowstorm.
Here on 64.
Oh, Shane, you're gonna go through a bunch of crap. I can see that now. I hate this weather. Matt can't hardly see out the cat. So this is our hole we dug. We're done with this. Originally we had this side sloped too, but he felt like we needed the extra material. He wanted us to cut it straight up and down here, so there wasn't quite enough to fill the hole. Let me show you. So this is the hole, and I just tried filling this end and up next to here so they can back trucks in here and finish filling it up. I think I put about 100 loads in here. I have to go read the load meter on the scraper and see what it says. But I'm here this morning to get the 336, pick it up and get it out of here. Then come back and get the 9 and then get the scraper. Like to put it on the Jeep dolly, but somebody came in my yard, if you can believe it, and stole one of my 2x2 blocks that we used to put under the cutting edge, and nobody wants to fess up to it. I can't hardly believe that somebody would come in and take a damn block, one lousy block. The other 3 of them were under the back of the scraper when we were changing the tire, so since that one was easy to get, they decided to take that. Okay, so I had this wood cut for the deck, and those boards over there, as you can see, are a 1/2 inch lower than the top of the beam. So let me show you how crooked I'm sitting here. So we're sitting kind of sideways because I loaded on the edge of the road here on the oil, and I got to walk this back, but there's no way I'm walking it on this slope with a hole next to me, so I'm gonna pull ahead very slowly and get out in the crown of the road so I'm flat before I move it. Do you blame me? Hey, how do you guys clean your machines off? What kind of effort do you go to? I've brushed mine off, but there's no way I can clean all this out. I ran the broom across the top. After I back it up, I'll do it to the rest of it, clean it again. But, you know, what do you do? I don't know what you do to clean that totally off. Okay, now we're level. Now I'm comfortable with walking it back.
I am no average Joe. Be with me, and you will see I'm think you like it. I know I like it too. Yeah, I think you like it more than you ever wanted to. High and low, it's how I roll. I